Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Marvin, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online and the different ways you can keep yourself safe from online scams. So in today's video I want to talk about Facebook monetization. Now I have a question for you. Do you know that a lot of people have met the minimum threshold, the minimum requirement, the minimum criteria to be eligible to be monetized on Facebook, yet Facebook has refused to get them monetized? Are you aware of that? Are you hearing this for the first time? If yes, then stay with me in this video, watch this video, and learn something new that you can apply on all your social media handles. Now, a lot of people have been wanting to earn on Facebook. So they just come, upload videos, upload pictures, make posts, get views, and at the end of the day, they are not monetized. It is true that when you are consistent in doing something that you usually achieve results. But if you are consistent doing the wrong things, there's never going to be a day that you're going to be monetized on any platform at all. So just like YouTube, Facebook has criteria, they have eligibility tasks that you need to do for you to be monetized. Okay? So in today's video, I'll be telling you a few things that you need to know in order to get monetized on Facebook. Now let's get right into the video. All right. So Facebook monetization. People want to make thousands of dollars from Facebook. So there are steps to take. There are things you need to do before you even think of starting to put up content or making videos or doing anything at all on Facebook for you to make money. There are things you should put into consideration. So number one of those things is for you to go and research, check if you are living in an eligible country. There are countries that are eligible for Facebook monetization. The first thing you should do, check if the country you are living in is eligible. Is a country an eligible country for Facebook monetization? That is the first question you should ask yourself. That's number one. Then number two, you need to, if you check that and you discover that you are living in a country that is eligible for Facebook monetization, after checking that and you are sure you are living in an eligible country, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your Facebook profile. Before it was just pages that get monetized, but now personal Facebook handles also get monetized. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your Facebook handle, click on the three dotted lines, and it will show you where they said something like turn on professional mode. So what you are going to do is to go ahead and click that turn on professional mode. You click it and it will turn on, and the beautiful features that you find on a page will now start showing on your personal profile as well. And you start seeing things like see dashboard, start seeing things like monetization tools, start seeing things like insights, and start seeing a lot of features that were not there originally. Okay, so when you have done that, the next thing that you are going to look at is for you to know that you need minimum of 5,000 followers for you to get eligible, for you to be eligible for Facebook monetization. Minimum of what? 5,000 followers. Minimum of 5,000 followers. So that is another one. So the next thing you should look out for is that all your contents, all your videos, your reels, I will explain all of that, what reels mean, and your in-stream videos, your reels and your in-stream videos, all of them should be able to amount to what is called 60,000 minutes watch hour. Okay, so that is another criteria. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to look at is be original as much as possible. This doesn't imply that you have to make your videos from scratch. It means that whichever source you get your videos from, try as much as possible to do a little packaging, do a little editing, and if possible, rename the file and do a few background work to make sure the video appears like it originated or it emanated from your own device, that you made it from your own device. And editing can do a lot of that. Okay, so those are the things that you need to look out for in order to be eligible for Facebook monetization. Now, there are some things I mentioned earlier, like reels, and I mentioned in-stream videos. Okay, I want to explain that quickly. What are reels and what are in-stream videos? Those are the things I want to talk about right now. So, before for those are monetized before now, okay, these things are like they are separate. They have thresholds separately. Reels, in-stream videos, they have threshold which you meet, like stars, subscriptions, and a whole lot of them. They have different threshold that you meet their requirement on a monthly basis before you get paid separately. Okay, but currently all of these things, they work the other way around. Now let me talk about reels. Reels are those videos that you put up there that are not less than 15 seconds, and they are not greater than 1 minute 30 seconds. Those videos are what we refer to as reels. Okay, then in-stream videos are those videos you post on a normal. Those videos are 3 minutes and above. From 3 minutes and above, any video that is 3 minutes and above, we refer to them as in-stream videos. All right, I hope you got that. Now, the next thing we are going to look out for is the original plan. The original plan, how Facebook was paying before now. So before now, Facebook pays, you meet criteria for stars separately, you meet criteria for subscriptions, you earn all these things separately. You earn for stars separately, meet the threshold for subscription separately, meet the threshold for reels separately, meet the threshold for in-stream videos separately as well. Okay, so before now, that is how it is done, and they pay you for these things separately. But now, currently, this is how it is done. All of these things, the performance bonus, the reactions you get from your posts, which are texts, the ones you get from pictures, the ones you get from reels, the ones you get from in-stream videos, all of these things put together, stars, subscription, and a whole lot of others, all of them put together, Facebook now combine them together and call it content monetization. Facebook put all this together and call it content monetization. Okay, so once you meet the requirement, once you meet the threshold for the month, you get paid. Not that I didn't meet the threshold for reels, I didn't meet the threshold for in-stream videos, and I was not paid. No, Facebook add all of this together and call it content monetization, so that at the end of every month they put everything together and it will be able to reach the minimum threshold for payment. Okay, so that is Facebook monetization for you. So what's going to happen is that if you have gotten value up till now, I think you should hit a like on this video and also subscribe to the channel, even comment, so that a lot of other persons can also see this video and learn one or two things from it. So in the next video, I'll be talking about how to set up your payment, your payout, this thing, how to fill your payout form when you get monetized. Okay, and I'll be sharing other tips as to how to share content on Facebook, how often to share content, the kind of content you should share, and the areas you should focus on, how to watch the professional dashboard and learn one or two things from it to make it better, to so that you know what next to do, how to follow up the next task that Facebook is showing you, because from time to time they'll be showing you notifications and say do this, do this, do this, do this, and as you keep following to do those things, you'll be able to actually meet the threshold, you'll be able to meet the criteria, you become eligible as you continue to strive and carry out the tasks they are asking you to carry out. So in the next video, I'll show you those tips on how you can create your content, the type of content you should create, the type of actions you should take so that you don't get banned or suspended. Okay? Hope you know that there's a way you will like comment in a day, your account will be put on restriction. There's a way you comment in a day, your account will also be put on restriction. These are the things. So in the next video, I'll be talking about that. So if you have watched up to this point, I want you to give a like, hit the subscription button, and comment. Say something in the comment section that this is what you learned from this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank